Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video is about the smart auto measurement of AC voltage using the Habotest ST123 digital multimeter. So as you can see, the Habotest ST123. Then we have here the convenience outlet, which is a source of voltage AC. At first, switch on this power button at the middle to power on the Habotest multimeter. Then these are the parameters: the AC voltage test, DC voltage test, and then the resistance and continuity. Switch on this button to power on the screen, to light on the screen rather, and then clear na po, maliwanag na ang display. At first, let's start the test and then plug in the test probe. Then switch on. So as you can see, the reading is 234.4 volts AC. So as you can see in the screen, the digital pointer is directly pointed to the voltage test AC mode. So makikita po natin yan, it's automatically the digital pointer. There's no need to calibrate the AC voltage mode. So pag ma-sense niya ang AC voltage, it's an automatic. So let's do it again. Switch on. So the digital pointer of the Habotest ST123 is directly pointed to the AC voltage mode test. So it's an automatic. There's no need to calibrate the AC voltage mode. So the reading is automatic and smart measurement. It's 234.7 volts AC. It's done. Thank you.